Hi, I recently got a new little toy. It's the DJI Spark. It's a drone, quite a nice little drone, and just trying to learn how to use this thing a little bit. So decided to take it up to one of my favorite places, actually an area that as a kid I used to go do a lot of hiking, and thought it'd be a nice place to get some footage and practice using this thing. So my idea was to lift off from this baseball diamond area and approach this cliff here, and I wanted to kind of approach it from the face of, towards the face of the cliff, go up above the cliff, and once I was on the the flats on the top, rotate the drone around, facing back towards me, and then start heading back towards me. So here I go. I'm as planned, heading towards the cliff, and everything's looking pretty good. There's this hill that I have to kind of clear right at the beginning, this little slope, so doing pretty good there. The problem with this drone is that once it's out of your sight, you pretty much got to use your phone or a screen, I guess a tablet maybe, to fly it, kind of first person view, and that's kind of an issue. Anyhow, you'll see. So far so good, pretty much as I'd planned, just heading towards the cliff face. I wanted to make sure that I was going to clear the cliff, so I'm rising up above and looking good. Pretty scenic here, I think. Again, this is a kind of a childhood place that people were in my neighborhood. Everybody used to come up here and go hiking and shoot their BB guns and ride their bikes and stuff. Okay, so I'm turning around here. I wasn't quite at the top or over the top, and already I've rotated too far. I wanted to be pointing back the way I came. Now I've rotated almost 360 degrees back to the direction of the cliff, and I'm just hopelessly lost at this point. I can't hear the drone very well anymore from my position on the ground. Now all I can see is I'm kind of heading towards a cliff, worried about crashing, and so pretty soon around here, I'm just kind of trying to get my bearings, looking around. Pretty soon I just decided to hit the panic button. You can hit a button that'll take you home, and looks like that's what I've done at this point. So right now the drone is flying on autopilot back to its takeoff location. And it's doing that perfectly. I'm way up in the air here, a couple hundred feet, 200-300 feet probably, and now it's looks like it's kind of hovering over the takeoff point here, and it's going to come in for a landing. Great feature. It sure saved me here, and we'll be using this a lot, I guess. You can see it's just rotating back to its takeoff angle, and it's going to come straight down. So good flight. I think I got some good footage anyhow, but it didn't quite go as planned. What I learned was I want to be able to learn to use that screen a little bit more effectively to fly this thing. I got to be able to see it better, and so I'll think of something. But anyhow, I wanted to throw this video up and just show off my new toy. Here we are coming in for a landing, pretty much back where I started. It's going to land maybe about a foot from where it took off, so pretty precise. I have a feeling this thing's gonna save me more than once. And there we go, nice landing. So that's my video. Hope you enjoyed it.